What if you could ease away tension and strain through your neck, shoulders, and upper back with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Adding on, inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward into crisscross arms, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift and open, and with each exhale, sweep your arms forward into crisscross arms, alternating with the opposite arm on top, waking up the energy through your neck, shoulders, arms, chest, spine, and abdomen. Pausing at center, maintain your arms, adding a twist. Alternate, rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your core engaged. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twist, rotating from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Pausing at center, maintain your arms and relax your chin towards your chest, releasing tension through your neck, shoulders, and the space between your shoulder blades. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence with the opposite arm on top. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing at center, maintain your arms and relax your chin towards your chest, feeling your body relax a little bit more with each exhale. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Reach your left hand across your body, placing it to your right shoulder. When you're ready, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release, and let's go ahead and loosen up with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Release and return to center, moving into neck rotations. Sitting tall, imagine the crown of your head reaching gently upward. On your inhale, keep your chin parallel to the earth. And on your exhale, gently turn your head to look out over your right shoulder, going only as far as it feels comfortable. Inhale at center. Exhale, gently turn to the left. Continue moving within your own range of motion, allowing this movement to originate from the space between your shoulder blades, keeping your spine and neck long. Release and return to center. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Feeling this gentle stretch create more space and ease through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, releasing tension through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a dynamic forward bend. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, glide your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead into cactus arms. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Continue flowing at your own pace, keeping your legs active and your core engaged, wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, arms, spine, and legs. Release and return to center. Moving into another lateral neck stretch variation. Reach your arms towards the earth and press your palms away, flexing through your hands. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral neck stretch. Inhale, lift your head back to center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, keeping your spine long and your shoulders down and back, reaching energetically through your arms, pressing through your hands, allowing this gentle stretch to create more space and ease through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Pausing at center, maintain your arms, adding neck rotations. Sitting tall, begin to alternate looking right and left, allowing this movement to originate from the space between your shoulder blades, keeping your spine and neck long with your shoulders relaxed. Release and loosen with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, waking up the energy of your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. When you're ready, cross your right leg over your left. Optional to gently press your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, deepening this twist. Unwind, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg and your left hand behind you for support. When you're ready, cross your left leg over your right. Optional to gently press your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your right side body in coming around to the left, deepening this twist. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or maybe just a bit more centered and calm. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.